2003 Chevrolet SSR Roadster pickup with a retractable hardtop here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Listen to this. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, two-owner vehicle, actual miles, 314. That's right, 314. Slingshot yellow, custom paint, 5.3 liter underneath the hood, automatic with overdrive trans, power steering, power brakes, AC. Take a look at the front fascia grille. You can see paint shows like new. What would you expect with just a little over 300 miles is all. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed of it. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see those still pics. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct SSR wheels. Goodyear radials, yes, those are the original tires. Making the next purchaser of this vehicle aware of that. So if they want to keep it for collector purposes and leave those tires on, they can. If not, you can choose what tires you'd like to put on. That is a painted flame and graphic on it, and it's got a classy look to it, no doubt about that. On the tonneau cover, they've added the Chevy bow tie with the flames coming off of that. You'll be able to see all that in the still pictures. It's not full of nicks, dings, scratches, or chips. It does have the teak wood strips in the bed. You'll be able to see that in the still pics. And I also want to mention it could use new struts for that rear tonneau cover, the fiberglass tonneau cover. Doesn't quite hold it up like it should. A few extras that are going to go with it. Of course, there's the tool if you have to manually put the top down. License plate bracket, owner's manual, floor mats. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. I'll show you the top going up and down here in just a bit, show you how that functions, and it does work. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run first. And then if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. That way you can see how it goes down the road. He'll kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. And as you can also see, driver's side paint. Nice condition. Again, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like looking at different types of vehicles, whether it be pickups like this, roadsters, cars, no matter what era. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panel looks good, Bose stereo system. Power mirrors, of course, power locks, power windows, power seats over here with memory seating. Heated over on the driver's side. This still has the plastic on the sill plate, plastic on the airbag cover. This truck's basically like new. Key fob with it. AM, FM, CD player. We're going to go ahead and fire it up. Let you hear it run. Also, the driver's information center with controls on the steering wheel, controls for the radio. Exact miles, there it is, 314. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. This is actually a CD changer. I believe it's a 6-disc changer.
Humanity has a new program partnering with...
Radio's working fine. Of course, the cup holders built into the dash. If I can get them to pop out. There we go. Dash looks good. Nice sounding truck. Sounds stock to me. Let's take a listen. Let's go ahead and pop this hood. I'll get that propped open so we can take a peek at the engine bay. And after that, like I said, I'll show you the top going up and down, and then we'll take it for a drive, see how it goes down the road. Let me pause it a second so I can get this hood open. All right, hood prop, something I always like to try to mention on these. When you unlatch the hood, of course, right here, and you go to lift it up, lift and close the hood from these outer edges. They're kind of known for this piece. If it's lifted on, closed with that, these tabs behind here have been known to break. And it is a heavier hood, so I think it comes when people are lifting it up from that piece. Just a heads up. Hood liner, nice and clean. This truck's obviously not been driven in inclement weather. There it is, a 5.3 liter. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC. What you'd expect. Look at how clean that engine bay is. Again, with a 2-owner vehicle, clean Carfax, low miles. Nothing to hide here. All right, let me go ahead and get that hood buttoned up. I want to show you this top going up and down. And then, like I said, we'll wrap up this video, take this thing for a drive. All right, there it is with the top up. If you could hear some noise in the background while the top was going up, that wasn't the top. That is next door in the detail department, where they're taking a vehicle on and off the lift for underside pictures. I want to show you that the condition of this paint and the top is in as nice a shape as the rest of the truck. Side glass up so you can see how that fits. This rear glass is tinted. And again, also in nice shape, what you'd expect with a truck of this caliber with the low miles it has. All right, so there's the condition of the top. 2003 Chevrolet SSR retractable hardtop Roadster pickup, clean Carfax, low miles. I will show that top going back down real quick again. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And remember, stick around to the very end. We'll take it for a drive.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
This is a 2003 Chevrolet SSR. We're going to take it out for a drive. Now the odometer is telling me this has less than 400 miles on it, which is kind of astonishing, but I believe it. This is a spotless vehicle for the most part. Just glancing at it, everything looks brand new and feels brand new. If you're looking for one, this is the one that you want. To get a brand new basically 2003 SSR with an automatic transmission, traction control, power hardtop convertible, pickup bed, all the features in an SSR that you love. Tachometer and speedometer working as they should. Temperature 195. Fuel tank is full. The oil pressure is 45 to 50 on the gauge. Factory stereo. Sounds very good. Clean interior, clean paint. Not a lot to say when a car is like new other than the features and the style. These trucks kind of the throwback to the 50s and 40s style trucks, but all modern design and all modern capabilities. Corners very well, stays nice and flat in the corners. You can tell it's a sport truck. Nice rumble coming out the exhaust pipe on this. A very fun vehicle. Easy to drive as any modern car, and yet a little bit of retro styling. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this SSR at uniqueclassiccars.com.